I'm here at G&M. Hey, and it's all happening. We're celebrating Trade Local Day. We've got a tent set up, we're serving bacon and sausage butties, we're all having a bit of fun. There's lots of people here, but there's vans coming in and out. We can't get anything done properly, but that's all right, that's the real world. Looking nice and orange today. But it's giving you that sort of morning healthy glow.
Does it?
Yeah.
Does it match my tan?
It matches your liver.
That's it.
They're all calorie counting. Would you like to have a glimpse at G&M's bathroom showroom? It's pretty impressive. This is what it's like. Try and remember to shop locally and look out for people who are in the plumbing industry who are members of the IPG, because you will be delivered great prices, great service and great knowledge on all your products.